Hi guys, this is Swapnil Thaware and welcome to my YouTube channel Achievers. In today's stock market session, I am going to tell you one important thing. So I'm recording this screen at 12:07 a.m. and mid 3rd May Friday. Okay, I'm in Udaipur now. So what I'm saying is on 1st May, as we all know that we had Labor Day and the Maharashtra Din, so only because of that share market closed. And on 30 April, this news was published on 30 April in the evening. So Ambuja Cement was on profit, and earlier it was rupees 6.5k crore, and it jumped to 7,093.27 करोड़. सो इट वाज अप. सो या मुझे पता चला उस टाइम पे ये जब भी खुलेगा ऑन 2nd में वो बहुत हाई पे खुलेगा. सो आई टुक द रिस्क एंड आई जस्ट बॉट द 500 क्वांटिटीज. इफ यू सी इन द जस्ट 2-3 minutes I booked the profit of 1146 rupees if you see here. So total profit was 6040.25 rupees. So I took the risk. I booked 500 quantities. If you see these things, also I had this Yes Bank, MRF, India Boost, real estate, this stuff. So yeah. So start reading the news, Economic Times, Money Control. You get this type of news, and you can easily book the profit in single day. If you see also, these are my what I can say watch list of the stocks. On 3rd, if you see, I have put all the banks here, so I can easily track all the banks indices. And these are my favorite shares: Muthoot Finance, Yes Bank, Havels, Infosys. Infosys is my first, and I love Infosys. So Persistent, Wipro, Pale, Dabur, MRF, these are my all favorite stuff. Jet Airways, no man, it's coming down. So ACC is also my favorite one. So yeah guys, so start reading this news and you can get the profit. So I got this news and I just booked it. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any problem, questions, please comment. Thanks guys for watching my videos. Tata, bye bye.